Hello students, and today's session we are going to talk about the Perkins reaction, one of the important named reaction given in the carbonyl compounds lesson, in which what is called Perkins reaction. An aromatic aldehyde like benzaldehyde you can consider. So the compound benzaldehyde is having this formula C6H5C double bond O H. It's the compound benzaldehyde and it is to be treated with an aliphatic acid anhydride. An aromatic aldehyde like benzaldehyde is to be treated with an aliphatic acid anhydride. For example, we can take acetic acid CH3COOH. How do you get its anhydride? The formula for the acetic acid is CH3C double bond OH CH3C double bond OH. When these two are treated with the phosphorus pentoxide, there is a chance of getting water molecules. So the H2 is removed and thus merged compound is an anhydride. So this is the anhydride merged, and this anhydride is called as acetic anhydride. Now in the Perkins reaction, benzaldehyde should be treated with anhydride like acetic anhydride in presence of the sodium salt of the same acid. In presence of sodium salt of acetic acid. This is the sodium salt CH3COONA called sodium acetate. And actually benzaldehyde is reacting with the acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. The condensation takes place. As a result of the condensation, the final product formed in between them is an alpha beta unsaturated acid is the result. This is the acid formed. The best example for this acid is cinnamic acid. Just recap, the benzaldehyde is a compound called benzaldehyde having this formula C6H5C double bond OH on reaction with an aliphatic acid anhydride like acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate. Due to the condensation, the final product expected is alpha beta unsaturated acid. The very best example of that is cinnamic acid. So how the reaction takes place and how to get the product from that, it is explained as follows. If you just see the formation of product from this combination, it's a formula for benzaldehyde C6H5 C double bond OH. For the convenience, acetic anhydride in which one of the alpha carbon is taken outside, in which this is the hydrogen taken outside from the alpha carbon. The reaction takes place in presence of sodium acetate CH3COONA. On heating, what happens? The condensation in which the first step, attack of nucleophile on the carbon, followed by the protonation. We know that the carbonyl group is a polar group. There is a polarity due to the electronegativity difference. Oxygen that carries slight negative and the carbon is carrying slight plus. So the carbon is attacked by this carbon and oxygen is added with this hydrogen. So after that, this is the result, 6H5 CH, and after adding the hydrogen, O is becoming OH, and here I can write CHH for the convenience, C double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. The intermediate is thus merged. After getting this intermediate in the subsequent stage, the result is given as follows. It undergoes beta elimination, which means the hydrogen is removed from this particular case and it is leaving as H plus, subsequently OH is removed. So due to this water removal, the product expected is CH5CH, double bond CH, double bond O, O, C double bond O, CH3. In the subsequent stage, it is to undergo hydrolysis, H2O. While the hydrolysis, what is happening here? The water can be written as follows. Yes, I can write that water molecule here, HOH. It undergoes hydrolysis. Due to this hydrolysis, the result is given as follows. C6H5, CH double bond CH, C double bond OH, plus CH3, C double bond OH. The alpha carbon and beta carbon are having unsaturation, thus it is alpha beta unsaturated acid. Its name is cinnamic acid, and other one is acetic acid. So in this way the condensation takes place and the final product is cinnamic acid. It's very easy to write. You should take a molecule of benzaldehyde, which is given as follows, C6H5, C double bond OH. Just see the arrow mark. In stage 1, when it is reacting with the acetic anhydride, the benzaldehyde that is to be treated with acetic anhydride, the attack of nucleophile followed by the protonation. Due to that, this is the result in presence of sodium acetate. So this compound is to undergo beta elimination. When it is the alpha carbon, it can be called as beta. There is a removal of hydrogen followed by the removal of OH. The H2O is removed. Due to that, you can have an unsaturated compound. This compound on hydrolysis, the final product formed is alpha beta unsaturated acid. This is the alpha beta unsaturated acid form. The compound's name is cinnamic acid. And this reaction is said to be the Perkins reaction.